Hello everyone, in today's episode we are going to be unboxing the Ninja Woodfire Electric Outdoor Oven.
Let's not waste any time and get straight into the video. So here it is, but before we start unboxing, let's check out some of the features that are listed on the box. So up first on the top, we've got 370 degrees Celsius high heat roaster. So that's perfect for if you want to roast a whole chicken or a beef brisket, for example. And then of course you've got the artisan pizza maker. So using the pizza stone that's included, this allows you to make 12-inch pizzas in under 3 minutes, which is pretty good. And then we've got the barbecue smoker feature. So using those pellets again, this allows you to craft any of your selected meats with that smoky, unique flavor. We've also got a 2-year guarantee with this product, which is again pretty good. And then here we've got Ninja's range of accessories that you can also purchase for this product, including the adjustable stand with the additional side table, oven cover, pizza peel, cast iron tray, and of course pellets. Now, I believe this does actually come with some pellets, and we have also purchased the pizza peel, oven cover, and the adjustable stand. So the only thing we haven't got on this list is the cast iron tray, but we'll go through that very soon. Right, let's flip it. And then on this side, again, we've got the complete temperature control. So this is explaining that temperature controls from 40 degrees Celsius all the way up to 370 degrees Celsius, which is quite good. And then you've got the 8-in-1 versatility, so 8 different functions in one product. That's pizza, the ability to roast, gourmet roast, top heat, bake, smoke, dehydrate, and keep warm. Inside the box, we should have a pizza stone, a pro heat tray, a roasting rack, a bag of pellets, another bag of pellets, and a pellet scoop. And then on the side here, it explains how the smoking works. So much like the Woodfire grill, you place your pellets in the side of the hopper, you press the ignition button, and then you're good to go. Okay, and then on this side, much the same as the previous sides, it's just different pictures showing you the 8 different features with this product. And then let's flip it one more time to see what's on this side. And then finally on this side, it's just giving us another breakdown of what's inside the box. So the oven itself, that's the pellet hopper on the side where you can remove the pellet box, pellet scoop, a quick start guide, the roasting rack, the pro heat tray, the frame, and the pizza stone. Okay, now we've gone through the stuff that's on the box, let's see what's in the box. Well, first thing worth noting is it's a very large box, and it does actually say on there it's 26 kilos. And you should lift it in a team, but yeah. Okay, so up first, we've got this little envelope here. I'm assuming with all the guides inside. So, oh, some stickers, preheating times, which is pretty handy to stick on the oven for future reference. So here we've got a little how to make pizza and calzone leaflet, taking you step by step how to make pizza and calzone, as well as how to place it in the oven. And then also on the other side, it tells you how to make a thin crust, artisan, calzone, New York style, or even a deep dish pizza. So that's pretty cool. Put that to the side. The instructions, which is boring, we don't want to see that. And then finally, we've got the Big Daddy, the quick start guide and recipe booklet. And inside, it tells you what's in the box, a guide to the control panel, all the different features and how to use them, as well as several recipes, such as here we've got smoked fudgy chocolate brownies, which look really good. And then also a Kickstarter recipe to how to make a crispy roasted chicken. So I'll be sure to check that out. So the second thing after the little leaflets is the pizza stone. And the first thing you're gonna see is a label saying do not get the pizza stone wet. So the reason for this is that the stone can crack or break if it comes into contact with cold water while it's hot. Not only that, but the water can actually stay in the stone for a long time, so if the stone does get wet, allow it to dry before using it again. Soap will also damage the natural seasoning of the stone and remain inside the stone even after it's dry. And it says here that black spots and stains are completely normal on pizza stones, and expect it to get very discolored over time. A seasoned stone is a good thing. If you do wish to clean it, however, allow it to cool first, lightly scrape off the stubborn bits with a non-metal utensil, and wipe any remaining debris off the stone using a soft cloth. So basically don't get it wet. Let's check it out. To be expected, very stony. And there's your pellet scoop. Here we are. Here is the main star of the show. Spin it round so you can see it a bit better. Power cord round the back, as you'd expect. 2 bags of pellets. Let's get it out of the cardboard so we can look at it a bit better. So it is quite dusty, even though it's been in a box for over a month. But anyway, let's see what else we've got inside. So pull this down and remove the rest of our items. God, that's wedged in there quite tight.
1 hour later.
Some cardboard and silica. What have we got in here? I bet it's just more cardboard. More cardboard, yeah, more cardboard. One of these has got to be the tray. Let's have a look. I think this is the tray. It's fine. So yeah, roasting rack, and then the Pro Heat tray, which is here. 30 centimeter by 30 centimeter heat tray, safe up to 370 degrees. And then this roasting rack, if you wish, can fit in there quite nicely. And then I think that is it, yeah. So when you're not making pizza, you simply slide this oven tray in, and away you go. And then for loading in your pellets, you simply come to the side, and there you go, there's your hopper, and you just put your pellets straight in the side there. Okay, now that it's out of the box, let's go through some of the features in a bit more detail.
So in order to operate this bad boy, first you need to plug it in, and then there is a switch around the back which you need to flick, and after that you can use the dial around the front to select your desired function and then press the start button. If what you're cooking requires smoke, you will need to fill up the hopper around the side. Make sure you only fill it up to the top and don't go over the top, because that can lead to the whole machine catching fire, which we don't want. And then you need to press the ignite button, wait for it to do its thing, and you can add your food in. Now, depending on your preference when it comes to the amount of smoke you want to have on your food, it comes with 2 different types of pellets. There's a robust blend and then the all-purpose blend. We would suggest trying both of these smoke pellets and then decide for yourself which one you prefer. A key aspect that needs to be mentioned about this oven is that it is not designed to be used indoors under any circumstances, so make sure you keep it outside. Now, in terms of functions, we have max roast, gourmet roast, pizza, top heat, smoker, bake, dehydrate and warm. Now you might be wondering, why does this oven need to have 2 roasting features? Let's have a further look into that. So the max roast function is designed to work for smaller meals in order to deliver the maximum amount of flavour in the quickest amount of time. The gourmet roast, on the other hand, is a 2-stage process designed to create a crispy outside but a juicy inside for your bigger cuts of meat and bigger meals. Now moving on to the next feature, and that is pizza. This setting allows you to make your favourite pizza, calzone or bread at home, either from fresh or frozen. Here we have the preheat times on the sticker, which would be recommended to stick somewhere on the actual oven so you don't forget them. Now, when it comes to making pizza, the quick start guide will take you through step by step what you need to do. So, first step would be to install the stone. Then you can add your pellets if you wish to have smoke for your pizza. If you don't, then you can skip this step. Step 3 would be to program and preheat the oven in order to reach the temperature desired based on the type of pizza you are making. This can take between 7 and 15 minutes. Next, you will add pizza in once the temperature has been reached, and once it is complete, it will come up with a message saying get food, which means you can then remove the pizza and enjoy. Now the next feature is the top heat one, which allows you to quickly melt cheese if you're making something, for example, like an omelette and you'd like to put some cheese on top and have it nice and brown. Next up is the smoker. This one is for anyone out there who's looking for a low and slow cook for a bigger cut of meat, and there's no need to press the wood fire button as the smoking is already included in the function. Next up we have the bake function, and the quick start guide comes with a couple of recipes for brownies and even a crumble. This oven can also dehydrate, so if you have seasonal fruit, for example apples that you wish to preserve for longer and you haven't got any freezer space, you can dehydrate them in this. And last but not least, this oven can keep your food warm if you have, for example, a dinner party and you want to cook your food before your guests arrive and have it served at the right temperature. We also purchased a couple of other accessories for this oven, such as the oven cover and the pizza peel. So we would highly suggest keeping an eye on the website for some bundles. So let's have a look at them. First up, the oven cover comes in a very small box. This is a waterproof cover designed for your oven in order to keep it nice and dry when it is not being used. And it comes with a little drawstring at the bottom to keep it nice and secure so it doesn't get taken by the wind. As far as the pizza peel is concerned, let's have a quick look. It feels very light compared to the oven itself, which is quite heavy. It is in two parts. Now we have the actual peel. So next up is the handle. We've got 3 screws. Make sure you don't chuck them with the packaging. They're easy to miss. And a little plastic bit that goes at the end of the handle. And in order to assemble it, we need to position the handle on that side and make sure it is in line with the holes on the other side, and simply add the screws in. Just to give you an idea of what it looks like, it is a decent size. It would definitely fit a 12-inch pizza. That was us unboxing Ninja's Woodfire Outdoor Oven.
If you'd like to see more content, us using the outdoor oven, why not like and subscribe?
In the meantime, for some more inspiration for outdoor cooking, check out the video on the screen now.
Thanks for tagging along, and we'll see you again soon.